beg it out, if you no get partially just it out. You been outside, I been inside with the talk, but no cash, the boss it out. Can you
please? I'm hungry. I said I'm hungry. It's your job to cook. My job is to go and get money and make sure that everything is okay. I work. I put food on our table. Your job is to...
What now?
Baby, where did you get this money from?
I use the money for food to play 1xbet.
1xbet?
It's a betting platform with great odds, and I use your promo code NASTY to get 200% bonus. There's more.
I'm going higher someday.
I need all my buildings ready by the end of next month. Please, I'm begging you. Enough of the story, you. Oh, baby.
Hey, baby.
How's work going?
Yeah, work is fine. I mean, we're at the office doing our thing, making sure that everything is in place.